Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm asking my grandmother. I can't wait for hours. When that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Y'all, I know I've been missing in action, but your girl been doing her thing, okay? So I've been catching up on my pop-up shops because if y'all didn't know, COVID and everything kind of like put us small businesses, especially the ones that do pop-up shops, to a halt. So I've been trying to get in where I fit in. Okay? Don't get to do many of these, and y'all know that anytime I bring it, I gotta make sure that I'm slaying it. Okay, my package is in. I'm so excited, and it's gonna be okay. This piece go with this. Obviously, I'm about to make me a cell phone case, and it says Mo, but I'm gonna put that to the side because I'm not working with that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping my phone case real quick because it's been sitting out for some time. I already took the plastic off of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some alcohol just to get all of the oil and dust and whatever residue that is left on it off. And this is a, oh my gosh, Google Pixel 6. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. All right, so the pieces I'll be working with, I have the diesel because he's a diesel truck mechanic, so I had to get diesel from his name is Ty. I have this hustle, you know, money. I have this I was going to try to put on top of diesel, but I don't think I'm going to put that there. And then I also have this hustle rest and repeat sign, so y'all won't see it until I pull it off. And this case will be getting sealed with resin, so let's just try to go ahead and put these pieces on. Let's place the pieces. Okay, so this right now, it looks too much for me. So this TY is a little too big to the point that I can't fit anything else on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pieces off because I have to rethink. I'm going to wipe this off a little bit because this looks a little smudged. Okay, so I'm just going to put that to the side real quick. Take all of this off. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to pull some more pieces. I think I'm feeling this one more than I'm feeling the other layouts, and the reason why is because I'm able to fit more pieces on it. So I think I'm feeling it, y'all. So let's just go ahead and glue the pieces. All right, y'all. So I went off camera again, and I kind of like switched it up. I think that this looked more manly to me, so I didn't want to do too much. I had to remember that this is a man's case, and I'm not going to be blinging around it. So this just looked more like manly to me, and we're gonna see how it looks. So let's just go ahead and glue these pieces. I'm gonna let this dry and then we're gonna go on with the resin. dry. It's not like all the way dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and start like placing some of these rhinestones and stuff on there. I don't want to place too many. Like I said, this is a men's case, so I want to be mindful of that. But I just want to place a couple. I know I said I would never do this, but I think I like it when I just place a couple. And these are just rhinestones. These aren't like pearls or nothing, because you know pearls are more like girly. Alright y'all, this bad baby is done. But be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and that those post notifications are turned on. And be sure, okay, give me 1 second, Nancy. And be sure to head over to my Instagram, designs.by.myc, and give your girl a follow. And also my TikTok, designs.by.myc. I think that's what it is. But y'all, don't mind my background. I know it look crazy, but this is actually a mat because I don't want to mess up my desk. But like I said, be sure to give your girl a follow. Leave some comments down below. I can't wait to, hopefully I get to do some more man cases, because like these joints be banging. I should do one for my husband, right y'all? Yeah, I should. But until the next video, bye bye.